how's it going? It's your mate Benny Mac, back in the Scale Model Garage. I hope you've been doing well, my friends. Thanks for stopping by again. Today I got another quick little video of a completed build. It is the 1 in 12th scale custom chopper set from the RM Custom series by Revell. And I've seen a few of you guys build a couple of these before in the community and thought they looked pretty cool, so I've had one in the stash for a while, and yeah, it was a good little fun kit to build, my friends. Went together well, wasn't too many issues. For the paint job I decided to de-chrome, a lot of it was chromed, and yeah, I don't know, I just felt like going sort of flat black for majority and just keep the chrome on the wheels. And the green, I basically got that from the Squirt's metallic blue in the background there from White Knight that I like using. I used that as a base coat, and then to get the nice green, I used the Duplicolor metal cast anodized yellow, did a few test spoons and came up with this real nice green, and decided to use it on this build, and I reckon it came out looking pretty cool. So, and obviously for the flat black, I used the Squirts in the background as well there. They have a flat black that's rather nice and lays down nice and smooth. So, and apart from that, I just ran a few cables here and there for the brake lines, and accelerator cable and the plug leads, and wired the battery and stuff. And yeah, basically it's just box stock out of the box apart from that, my friends. But it was a really enjoyable kit to build, and I'm happy how it came out. So that's about it, my friends. Gonna keep it short and sweet. I'll try and get a few photos in a little slideshow for you at the end here as usual. But as usual, mate, thanks for stopping by and subscribing, commenting, all that good stuff. It's your mate Benny Mac, saying you have yourself a good day, eh?